For the sake of the code, let's call it ice cream. It's Motell Granite the Great. And this is the Hiccup conversation created by me. And let's call it ice cream. The creator of the sharing concept, which means that if a man wants a relationship with a woman, he's going to have to learn how to share her with other men. This Hiccup conversation is about ice cream. And this is why one of the reasons there's a snag in the relationship concept, or there's a flaw in why this pursuit of happiness cannot be accomplished. Ice cream, let's call it ice cream. If the woman knows that you want ice cream, it seems like the woman on purpose, make sure you don't get ice cream. What do people say in the beginning? So, tell me about yourself. And you're expected to read off or unveil this laundry list of things that you like, want. There's dialogue about love languages or whatever else. Just for people to throw a dagger at your list and pluck and put bullet holes in everything that you desire. So explain to me, please, how you know I want ice cream, and you specifically make sure that I don't get it. How can we be friends? How can we be cool? If you needed or wanted something that was doable, and I decided not to give you the thing that's easily doable, why do you think that you should be jumping up and down for joy at that point with me? I'm calling it ice cream. A mother might say because of the sugar, because ice cream is not good for you. But then it is extremely hilarious, because then women will tell you that you're not giving them ice cream enough. Oh, you claim you want ice cream. Now they got the fever, and you can't give it to them enough. We're talking about selfishness again, which ties into my Empty Enemy novel that I am supposed to try and get out. But my tomfoolery is preventing that. We're talking about hiccups. And we're talking about ice cream. You got to decode it. Every woman knows that you want ice cream. But with every ounce or strength in their body, they going to make sure you don't get none. But they still want to be friends and bounce around like everything is all right. This is a hiccup. This is Motell Granite the Great. I still love y'all.